Hey guys, today I have with me Realme X7. The smartphone offers a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 411 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Realme X7 has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. On the right spine, you will find the power button, and on the other side, the phone has the volume rocker. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray, and a speaker grill. Realme X7 comes with a triple camera setup. On the bottom, you will see the Realme branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Realme X7 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. Realme X7 offers a 4310 mAh battery powered by a 50-watt super dart charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of Realme X7 is Android 10 with Realme UI. So guys, that's it for Realme X7. Thank you so much for watching this video.